India's 94th budget, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's ninth budget and the first budget ever presented on a Sunday. This budget has been prepared for the first time in Kartavya Bhavan and is based on three main goals: strengthening the country's economy, providing skills and opportunities to the people, and ensuring development reaches every area. Its main message is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, meaning taking everyone along to move the country forward. Now, let's talk about some very important numbers from Budget 2026. First of all, the Biopharma Shakti Yojana, 10,000 crores will be spent on this over the next 5 years so that advanced medicines can be manufactured in India itself. Next, let's discuss the expenditure on the country's development in the year 2026-27. The government will invest 12.22 lakh crores on roads, railways, projects and infrastructures, which is significantly more than the last year. Now, let's talk about India's debt. In 26-27, the debt to GDP ratio is approximately 55.66% and the target is to bring it down to around 50 plus minus 1% by 2030. The government's focus on fiscal discipline is also clear. In 2025-26, the fiscal deficit was 4.44%, which is lower than the target. And for 26-27, the plan is to reduce it further to 4.3%. To boost electronics manufacturing, the budget for this scheme has been increased to 40,000 crores so that mobiles and gadgets are manufactured in India. Now, let's talk about the government's loan plans. Under the net market borrowing, the government will borrow 11.7 lakh crores from the market, which will be through dated securities and from all sources combined. The total market borrowing is going to be approximately 17.2 lakh crores. Along with this, a new ME Growth Fund has also been created in which 10,000 crores have been allocated to support large companies in future. Changes have also been made to the share market tax. STT on futures was previously 0.02%. Now it has been increased to 0.05%. Tax on option premium was previously 0.10% and now it has been increased to 0.15%, and the tax levied on exercising option has now been increased from 0.125% to 0.15%. In simple terms, this budget focuses on development, discipline and future growth. Very soon, we would be coming up with a detailed analysis of Budget 2026 for students preparing for UPSC or other competitive exams. So stay tuned to the channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Do share this video with your friends and press on the bell icon to get notification for our upcoming videos.